Automation Direct offers thousands of sensing products and accessories, including these ProSense VCT series harsh duty vibration transmitters. These sensors accurately detect vibrations of industrial equipment, primarily rotating equipment such as pumps, motors, compressors, and rolling mills. Vibration monitoring, also referred to as machine condition monitoring, can provide early detection of developing malfunctions, allowing for timely maintenance before major damage or failure results in costly repairs and production downtime. These MEMS-based sensors are ideal for harsh industrial applications and offer a rugged stainless steel construction, a wide operating temperature range, and a high protection rating. They provide vibration sensing to standard DIN ISO 10816. The ProSense VCT series vibration sensors offer these agency approvals and come with a 5-year warranty. We also offer VCST vibration switches and transmitters, as well as accessories such as mounting bases, blocks, and protective covers. Learn more on these transmitters we offer by visiting AutomationDirect.com/vibration-transmitters. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.